It's that time of the week again. Ray and Mandy are back with another fishing tip to help you out this weekend. Tonight they take a deep dive into a type of bait that's great for catching walleyes and any other type of fish, the paddle tail.
Tonight we're going to talk a little bit about paddle tails. And a paddle tail is exactly what this looks like. It's a imitation. It can be an imitation of a minnow. It can be an imitation of a small walleye, a crappie. It can be anything. But it has a tail with a paddle on the back of it and a little flat surface area that really gives us a lot of action. A very, very versatile bait. And I think it's fair to say that more and more people are using paddle tails as more and more people are starting to get away from live bait. It's stretchy, it can catch everything, walleyes, bass, small panfish, you name it. A paddle tail is a very effective way to fish. And Mandy's going to talk a little bit about the applications of these.
As Ray was saying, extremely versatile. You can use these for walleye, bass, northern panfish. All you need to realize is what your target species' main forage is. So you got to do a little research sometimes and figure out what the bass are feeding on. Are they feeding on sunfish? Is the walleye feeding on small perch? And as you'll see, there is a ton of different colorations for this. There is no reason, no matter where you live or what you fish for, that you shouldn't be able to find something that's going to be able to make you more successful. There's different types of rigging with these too. You can rig them, like the bag says, with a little jig hook, and that comes in multiple different weights so that you can get down deeper. Also, you can use swim bait hooks. So it's a large hook with a weight in it. If you go into your local tackle store and ask them for a swim bait rig, they'll be able to hook you up.
Another thing that you can look for when you're buying these paddle tails is scent. And in this particular, we're not promoting any particular brand, but this is called Gulp. But there are other brands out there too that actually have a scent that add to the attraction of these baits. So they're very, very effective and worth your try. For Lakeland News, I'm Ray Gildaw with the Nisswa Guides League.
And I'm Mandy Eric, the bass and biologist.
If you enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland PBS.